let's learn about sounds made by animals.
Can you guess which animal moos? Moo.
Cow moos. Moo. Moo.
Can you guess which animal neighs? Neigh.
Horse neighs. Neigh.
Can you guess which animal hisses?
Snake hisses.
Can you guess which animal bleats? Ba, ba.
Sheep bleats. Ba, ba.
Which animal barks? Bhow, bhow.
Dog barks. Ba, ba.
Do you know which animal roars like this?
Yes, lion roars.
Do you know which animal clucks? Cluck, 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 cluck.
Hen clucks. Cluck, 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 cluck.
Do you know which animal mews? Meow, meow.
Cat mews. Meow, meow.
Can you guess who chatters the whole day? Gibber, gibber.
Monkey chatters. Gibber, gibber.
Which animal quacks? Quack, 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 quack.
Duck quacks. Quack, 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 quack.
Can you guess which animal hoots? Hoot, hoot.
All hoots. Hoot, hoot.
Can you guess which animal trumpets? Oh, oh.
Elephant trumpets.
Can you guess which animal crows? Cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo.
Rooster crows. Cockle-doodle-doo. Cockle-doodle-doo.
Do you know which animal grunts? Squeak, squeak.
Rabbit grunts. Squeak, squeak.
Can you guess which animal snorts? Oink, oink.
Pig snores. Oink, oink.
Can you guess which animal bleats? Ma, ma.
Goat bleats. Ma, ma.
Can you guess which animal growls? Grrr, grrr.
Bear growls. Grrr, grrr.
Can you guess which animal croaks? Grrr, grrr.
Frog croaks. Croak, croak. Thank you, friends. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Smile, please.